How to lock an album in the Android phone gallery without using additional apps. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I will guide you to lock an album in the Android phone gallery without using additional apps. Without further ado, let's get started. So you can easily hide albums manually with File Manager. To do that, navigate to Files or File Manager app. Now once you're here, you can easily find the folder or album that you want to hide. In case if you want to hide this downloaded folder or album, you can easily rename the folder by adding a dot at the beginning. You can tap three dots at top right and look whether there is rename option or not. Suppose let me choose this particular video, tap three dots at top right, select move to, and you can easily make a new folder. So you can easily type in .vacation 2024. With that you can tap on move to folder, and with that this will hide the album from your gallery automatically. To see it again, you can just enable show hidden files in your file manager settings. So you need to note that this method don't delete your photos, they just hide or lock them using built-in Android features. If you want to keep certain things private without downloading extra app, you can try this. So that's it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then don't forget to like, share and comment. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.